Hello traders, today I want to show you a new tool that we've developed. It's a trade journal statistics, and you can find more about it on our website Trading Habitually. And this is trade journal. This is how it looks. It's not sophisticated trading journal software, but it does the job just to give you a snapshot. So you install it just as a regular indicator, and you access it in your new panel. You would find it installs as add-on, so you would find it here under TradersAlly Trade Journal, and I think I already had it opened. So yeah, let me close this. So you click this TradersAlly Trade Journal. It opens this window. Now then you select which account. You click Generate. And if you want to share this, but you don't want to share your account name, you just blur it out, and you could screenshot it and share it. So it's not a sophisticated software, but it gives you this snapshot of your performance. You can also click on details here. It'll give you more details about it. It records your total trades, win rate, and net. So it's a pretty useful tool. It's on sale right now. It's only $59. So yeah, take advantage of it before the holiday ends. Thanks.